Welcome. If you've ever wanted to showcase your family connections on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your brother to your family members list on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once there, look for the About section. It's usually located just beneath your cover photo or in the menu options on your profile. Click on About to open up more details about you. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select Family and Relationships. This is where you can manage and display your family connections for everyone to see. Next, look for the option that says Add Family Member. Click on it, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to search for the family member you want to add. Start typing your brother's name into the search bar. Facebook will show you a list of matching profiles. Choose the correct one. Once you've selected your brother's profile, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Relationship. Click on it and scroll until you find Brother. Select it to specify your relationship. Finally, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your brother will now appear in your family members list on your Facebook page. With these simple steps, you can easily keep your Facebook profile up to date and let your friends and family know exactly who's important to you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.